Let's be real. Do you wake up exhausted just rolling out of bed, grabbing your phone and scrolling through pointless stuff before you even brush your teeth? Next thing you know, you're scrolling through memes, and you wonder why your life feels out of control. The truth is, if your morning is chaotic, your whole life will be too. But if you begin your day with purpose and intention, success won't just be possible, it'll be inevitable. So take note. How you start your morning sets the tone for everything that follows. Step 1. Dominate the first decision of your day. The moment you wake up, you're faced with a choice that will define the rest of your day. For most, that choice is a poor one. Hitting snooze, sinking back into the comfort of bed, and putting off life before it even begins. But successful people, they rise without hesitation. No deals, no 5 more minutes. The small habits you form create momentum that drives your entire day. If you can't even win the battle of getting out of bed, you're setting yourself up to lose the rest of your day. This is exactly why you need step 2, the 5-second rule. It's normal to struggle when trying to get up immediately. Your brain is hardwired to keep you in your comfort zone. But here's a simple hack, the 5-second rule. As soon as your alarm goes off, start counting down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Don't think, don't negotiate, just move. Because the moment you hesitate, your brain will find a way to talk you out of it. Here's a bonus hack. Before going to sleep, place your phone across the room. When the alarm rings, you'll have no choice but to get out of bed to turn it off. Now that you're up, it's time for step 3, or else you'll fall back into old habits of laziness. Step 3. Move before your mind catches up. When you wake up, it's common to feel groggy and think it's a sign to stay in bed longer. But here's the truth. Movement creates energy. Stretch, go for a quick walk, splash cold water on your face. Do something to shake up your system before your brain can talk you into being lazy. Because when you move, you force your body to wake up. And suddenly you're in control, not your excuses. But getting up and moving is just part of the equation. Now you need to protect your focus, which is where step 4 comes in. Control your inputs. Your brain is most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. Yet most people spend that time buried in social media, emails, and notifications. Your morning should be for you, not the world. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, you're training your brain to react to distractions instead of focusing on what truly matters. Instead, replace this habit with something that nurtures you. Meditate, write down your intentions for the day, or enjoy a quiet cup of tea. Control your inputs, and you'll take control of your life. Now that you've cleared away distractions, it's time for the final and most powerful step. Step 5. Own your first hour. Take charge of your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and free from distractions, it's time to shape the rest of your day. The first hour is your foundation. Build it strong. Start by revisiting your goals and reminding yourself of your why. Dive into deep work and tackle your most important task first. Drink some water and fuel your body with something nourishing. Set a clear intention for the day. Decide exactly how you want to show up. Each of these steps builds momentum, stacking on top of the last. If you win this hour, the rest of the day falls into place. Most people won't do this. They'll get distracted by excuses. They'll agree and then slip back into their old habits. But you're not like everyone else. If you've watched this far, you already understand something others don't. The way you start your morning is the key to unlocking your entire life. So here's the real question. Will you keep hitting snooze on your potential, or are you ready to wake up and control your mornings? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you're truly committed to making progress, hit that subscribe button. The next video will be another brainy boost. Until then, keep evolving and improving every day.